London was like the 33rd county when we were growing up. So we've been coming to Hammersmith Irish Centre since 1995, and we've been playing Ceilidhs down here, the Goshen and the Gale Ceilidh, Gary was playing at. Then I joined, and that was once a month, and that was the oldest running Ceilidh, the earliest running Ceilidh that ever started in the whole of England, I think. Gary's dad is a cello singer, and his grandparents played the box, and he released his debut album in 2018. It's called Pat Connolly, and of course his grandchildren, being the apple of his eye, were on it. Ben and Ella were on the album playing, and so maybe one day you'll be singing on an album with him. But yeah, I grew up going back to East Galway every summer, and my mum was from there, from Clymer, and so my aunt and my uncle play accordion, and then my dad's from North Connemara, but he just loved the music, and he wasn't from a musical family or anything. But yeah, so Mum and Dad just made sure that we went to classes actually in Camden Irish Centre when we were growing up. I started at 8, Gary didn't start till he was 12. We've been playing down here more in recent years with the Glencaher Ceilidh Band. So that would be Gary and Ben and Gary's cousins, Karen Ryan and Coleman Connolly. And the kids came and joined in then with the Ceilidhs that we played at ever since they were really small. So when Ben was only 8, he would get up on the stage and play with us for the Gosford Ceilidhs, and then Ella would get up and do a few steps.
I remember dancing on there on the stage and having stage fright and running down the side. So I think one day I just picked up the fiddle, and I just started playing it. But I wanted to play it. So yeah, I kind of did gravitate towards the fiddle, and then later on I liked the harp, so I thought I'd start that as well. But the same with Ben actually. He just kind of always liked the flute, and yeah, it's weird how it happens really. You just, like you said, gravitate towards it.
Thanks very much. It's great to be here at the Irish Cultural Centre. Audience or no audience, we still love it. It's like our second home. So we just played a set of reels there. Johnny's gone to the Ceili. We've done a million Ceili here. Egan's and Mama's Pet. And now we're going to play some jigs, and Ella's going to introduce them. Oh, by the way, we're the Connolly family.
So now we're going to play some jigs called Tom Billy's and Old Joe's.
Thanks very much. So we're going to play a slow air now, and Ben is going to introduce that because he's going to be taking the lead on that on the flute. So.
I'm going to start off with a slow air called The Mountain Streams Where the Moorcocks Crow, which my sister plays very well as well, and which my mum used to sing. Then we're going to go into a hornpipe called If There Weren't Any Women in the World, followed by a reel called The Mohill.
we're going to carry on with the song now. Ella's going to sing. So...
So this is a song that I got from Rita Gallagher, and it's called Easter Snow. At twilight in the morning, as I roved out upon the dew, with my morning cloak around me, intending of my flocks to view, it was there I saw a fair one. She was a charming beauty bright, and I took her for Diana, oh, the evening star that rules the night. I, being so much surprised at her, it being the forenoon of the day, to see this lovely creature coming over the banks to sweet Locray. Her snow white breast lay naked, and her cheeks, they were a rosy red, and my heart was captivated by the two black eyes rolled in her head. Fair maid, I cried, your love I crave, for Cupid is a cruel foe. I'll roll you in my morning cloak and take you home to Easter snow. Go home, acquaint your parents, and indeed, kind sir, I'll do the same. And if both our parents give consent, neither you nor I will bear the blame. Thank you.
Lovely, short, sweet, happy Irish song there. So now we're going to carry on with three jigs: Frahers, the Bantir Lass, and Strike the Gay Harp. Lovely, thank you. Right, so we're going to finish off now with a set of reels, then going back on the piano for these. And we're so grateful to the Irish Centre for having us. We absolutely love playing here. The whole team, great team. William, Jerry, Shay, Roz, and everyone that I've forgotten as well. You know, fantastic team at keeping everything going here, even in these difficult times. So we're looking forward to seeing you back here at the Irish Centre when everything's back up and running, and we'll have just untold fun. So we're going to play Knock na Shay now, and The Road to Connollys, and Craig's Reel.